Hello lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I want to share with you this simple plantain chips recipe with you all. Very easy recipe, and this is one of Ghanaians' favorite street snack. If today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. Alright, so here I have my ripe plantain and my green plantain. This is what I'll be using for the plantain chips. You can go for the green ones if that is what you prefer, okay? It's looking all fresh and very green, as you can see. So next I'll begin by washing my plantains very well. You can as well omit this process if you can wash your plantain afterwards. But washing plantains before you peel it is the best option because it's going to help the peeling process of this plantain a little bit easy for us. So now let's wash and set it aside. Alright, so after washing the plantains nicely like this, I will use a clean napkin to clean off any excess water around it, just the way you see it on your screens. After that, I will use my knife to create incision on it, and I will peel off the skin from the plantain very nicely. Alright, so now let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Next, I'm going to be using my slicer to slice these plantains into the perfect shapes that I want. You can as well use any slicer or a knife to cut your plantains into the perfect shapes that you want. And if you also want to use the knife to slice your plantain chips, you just have to take your time and slice it so you can get a very tiny pieces. Because the more this plantain chips becomes very thin or flat, the more it becomes more crispy. Now let me share with you this great tips of how you can start your own plantain chips business. Plantain chips is one of Ghanaians' famous or favorite street snack. In fact, in every traffic light in Ghana, you're going to see someone selling plantain chips. That tells you how Ghanaians love plantain chips. And I tell you, people are really making a whole lot of money out of this. But before I tell you the reason why you can make money out of plantain chips business, let's create new looks on how you can present your plantain chips to attract your customers. So you take a slice of plantain, you rub it on your finger, then you push it out, just the way I am doing it on your screens right now. You just have to be creative and people are going to love it. Next, I'm going to be mixing my salt solution, and this time around I really want my plantain chips to become very tasty and very spicy. So to a bowl, I've added in some garlic and ginger powder, salt to taste, and some paprika. I'll add a little bit of water to it, mix it all together, and this is what we're going to sprinkle on the plantain chips for it to become more spicy. With the help of the garlic and ginger powder, trust me, you are going to love it. So after we are done mixing the solution, you just have to start to heat up your oil and begin frying your plantain chips until it becomes very crispy. Remember to fry this on high heat and not on low heat, because when you fry this on low heat, the plantain chips is going to soak the oil a little bit before it gets fried, and we don't want that, okay? So now after you drop in your plantain chips to your oil, you begin to gently stir it very well for the plantains that are sticking together to open beautifully, okay? And if you are still watching at this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you haven't done that yet. Okay, all right, so after about 5 minutes of frying it, I'll go in with my sauce solution, and I'll be adding in about 2 tablespoons of that. No need adding in too much salt because it's going to make your plantain chips very salty, and we don't want that. Okay, so now let's fry this plantain chips for additional 5 to 7 minutes on a low medium heat until it becomes crispy, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. I just love how the plantains came out. It's looking very yellowish and very beautiful. And at this point, the plantain chips is ready, so I'm going to remove it from the oil and repeat the process one more time. So as I said, I bought this plantain for 10 cedis, and after frying and packaging them into my Ziploc bags, I got a profit of extra 10 cedis, making 20 cedis, which as a starter in this business is not bad at all. At least you got what you used to buy the plantain, so it's not bad at all. So try this business idea and you are going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit that bell also, and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching this video, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.